it is Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello and it's nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get a toned, lean, strong upper body. So if you want that, keep watching this video. The first thing, I'm going to give you guys a 5-minute exercise to do every single day. It is so simple, requires absolutely no equipment, and you can just do it at home. It'll make a huge difference in your upper body. And then the last 2 things, I'm going to give you guys like some lifestyle hacks that will make a very big difference. So yeah, if you want that nice collarbone and all that good stuff, keep watching this video. You can always go on your knees if necessary. Remember, form is the most important part. So what we're going to do for the first 10 push-ups are we are simply going to bring our hands slightly outside of our shoulders. And then the idea is to get your chest to touch the ground. So make sure to keep your body in a completely flat line. You should have your butt, your shoulders, your heels all in line. Have your abdominals fully engaged. Think of sucking that belly button to the back of your spine. And yes guys, so then you're just trying to get your chest to touch the ground. 10 push-ups. First thing. Now we're going to move on to tricep push-ups. So we're going to turn around, and as you can see, we're going to go in crab position. Now the goal here is to get as far down with your arms as possible without letting your hips drop at all. So try to think of lifting your hips up as high as possible and keeping them there. You also will be engaging your glutes and your hamstrings, which will give you a little bit of a butt workout. Keep your arms parallel. Your shoulders should be directly above your hands, and you're going to bend as far down as possible. Now for the second push-up, we are going to do military style. So the goal here is to have your elbows touch the side of your body the entire time. So you're going to put your hands directly below your shoulders, keep your arms completely parallel, elbows touching the side of your body the whole time. This one's super hard, so if you have to go on your knees, that is completely okay. We're gonna flip over and we're going to do 10 more of the same tricep push-ups. And last set, don't worry, we're going to do 10 diamond push-ups. So as you can see, you're going to make a diamond with your hands. These are a lot harder, so I personally still have to go on my knees. I'm working my way up, but like I said, form's the most important part. Your hands should be below your shoulders. Try to get your chest to touch your hands. And yes guys, that is it for push-ups. Now for the last thing, so simple. Just hold a handstand for as long as you can. You can go on the wall, you can balance, you can walk, you can not walk, whatever works. But just kick up into a handstand and try to balance there as long as possible. This combination of exercises will get your whole upper body. It will get all the parts of your arms, your chest, as well as your back. Okay, so now let's talk about the second thing, which is posture. Posture. It makes such a big difference. So first, let's talk about bad posture. If you're over like this, your stomach looks unengaged, your shoulders are leaning forward, your back is all curved, you look unconfident, you look kind of sad, you look like you're like ashamed. So what you want to do now is you're going to think of going up and back with your shoulder blades, like this. Then I end up with that nice pretty collarbone, and then my abs are engaged, and I don't look like this everywhere I go. So now what that motion did of pulling the shoulders down and back, what it does is it brings out your collarbone, brings your chest up, so then you have the proper alignment. So your shoulders are rolled back, your chest is up, your collarbones are exposed. Of course I'm over exaggerating a little, but look at this difference. Walk around like this. I bet that one looked a lot better. Now, of course, I know I'm over-exaggerating. Like, this is very exaggerated, this is very exaggerated, but you guys can't tell me that the first one looks better. So yes, just think of rolling those shoulder blades down and back. Think of just always having better posture, because what it does is it presents your chest up so you get that nice appearance of the upper body, and you just look a lot more confident, so that is always good. Now for the last thing, let's talk about health. If you are not eating healthy, if you're overeating, if you're not exercising, your body is going to increase in fat. You are going to get a layer of fat all over your body, including your upper body. So if you have a layer of fat on your upper body, you're going to be squishier, which means you're not going to be as toned, and most likely you're going to be weaker. So that's going to take away from that nice, chiseled, toned upper body look. So what I'm getting at is try to just be as healthy as possible. I'll connect a video talking about food more up here, but yeah, just try to eat healthy, try to eat intuitively, then also try to get your daily exercise in. So long story short, if you can get rid of that layer of fat, replace it with muscle, your upper body's appearance and strength will change a lot. Okay guys, that is the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you in 2 days.